Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and yes, I'm back with another unlock video. This time we're going to be unlocking the bad boy. Yes, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max in the beautiful gold edition. Because as you know, when everyone else went grey and green, I went gold. So yeah. Anyway, it's very straightforward today. We're just going to be sim unlocking it, carrier unlocking it, to make sure you can use it with any carrier worldwide. So let's get right into it. It's super simple. What you want to do is go into your phone first of all. Go to your dialer. You can probably see just about here. So you're going to go to your dialer. Star hash 06 hash. So for American friends, that is star pound 06 pound. And then bam. You should be presented here with your IMEI number. They're thinking, what the hell's that? It's effectively think of it as like a serial number that's just on your phone. And it's what connects for the networks, etc., etc. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but that's the number you're going to want. So you might have two, but always go with the first one. Always go with the top one. So keep that to one side, take a screenshot, write it down, because you're going to need that when we're going to go to the website, which is theunlockingcompany.com. So we'll go over to the website now and we'll have a sneaky peek. See you over there. Right then, so here we are on theunlockingcompany.com and we're going to order our unlock. Yep, it is very straightforward. You're never going to do something as easy in your life. Well, apart from breathe. So, manufacturer. Obviously, we're doing an iPhone 11 Pro Max today. So, we want to be picking Apple. So, bang Apple in there. And then what model is it? Well, I've just said it is going to be an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So you can see I pick this one here. You can do other iPhones as well, but obviously today we are doing the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So click that bad boy. Then what you want to do is click unlock now, and it should go to the next screen. Right, so here we are. We are now on the select your network section. Now this part again, very straightforward. So it wants to know, where did you purchase the phone? We know what country is it from and what carrier. So it needs the original network provider. So an example for myself, I will click country purchased. I will click United Kingdom, as you can see here. Obviously I'm in the United Kingdom, so that's what I'm going to pick. And then I could also then go, right, I'm on the EE network. So let's say my phone was purchased in the United Kingdom from EE. That's what I would pick. But if you're from another country, again, I've got a lot of American viewers here. Then what we do is actually pick United States. So for yourself, you'd pick the United States and then just select your carrier. So you could do AT&T, Singular, I think it's the same company, is it? No, I don't know. T-Mobile, Virgin, etc. So let's see we're on T-Mobile. You click T-Mobile. Let's say you're on AT&T. You click AT&T and then click next. Obviously, again, I'm in the UK, so I'm going to be going back to United Kingdom, selecting EE, and then I will click next for myself. So we'll go to the next screen now. Right, now you're on this section where you're going to need that number that I just told you to get. Remember the IMEI number? Do you remember that part? Right at the beginning of the video. So as you can see here, it tells you where it wants again. So your phone's IMEI number. Again, click star hash 06 hash. And again, for my American friends, star pound 06 pound. Tap that into your phone. You're going to get that big long number. Again, always go with the top one. So stick that into here. Stick your full name in there, your delivery email. As you can see on the right hand side here, it's going to give you your average delivery times between 1 and 15 days. Obviously, we would love it to be the 1 day, but obviously it can take longer. And then above that will be the price that you would pay for the actual product as well, or for the unlock. So I'm just going to put my stuff in here, and we'll go to the next page. Right, and now we're on the final page. This is where you're just going to make sure everything is 100% correct, and then you're going to make your payment. So as you can see at the top of our screen here, we are confirming we're going to be purchasing an unlock for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's correct. My phone locked to the EE network, correct, and the IMEI number, which would this one be here, then yeah, just make sure that yours is correct. Make sure there's no mistakes. And then the country, again, United Kingdom, perfect. And then the email, yep. And obviously make sure you got your full name in there. And you can put a telephone number if you want, but you don't have to, it's your choice. On the top right hand corner, you actually get the total purchase price, how much yours is going to cost. And then your average delivery time, again, is between 1 and 15 days. Again, hope it's the sooner one. And then what you've got is you've actually got your card information just here at the bottom. So what you do is you stick all your information in there, and then you scroll to the bottom of the page. Again, once all that's filled out there, I'm not going to put my details in here, you would then click your Order Now button, and then prompto, you'll receive an email within them 1 to 15 days, again as an average, and it will tell you exactly what to do. But don't fear, I'm going to help you with that in the next stage of the video. So yeah, let's show you. Right then, so you've got your email to confirm that your phone is now unlocked. It will tell you what to do in there, but I'm just going to give you a quick heads up as to what to do as well. Obviously, that's the purpose of my video today. And what you need to do is take out your current SIM card and put in the new SIM card from the new carrier you want to use. So I'm just going to pop mine out right now. Dun dun dun. And see, you got a good old Golda here. Just eject out of there. So you want to be taking your SIM card out. Just going to put that to there. So currently, if I go into my phone, so I'm in the phone now and I can see here saying no SIM card is installed. No, what we're going to do? Well, pretty straightforward. Just bring your SIM card in. Again, make sure this is the new SIM card for the new network. Slap it in there. Click OK on that. And with mine, it just connects. Now, it should, from some people from what I can see, is that you might get like a white screen telling you to update your carrier settings or to activate the iPhone again. I've never personally had that. Mine just works. The other method is if you don't get any of those two and it's not working, you're thinking, oh crap, what's going on? Easy. Hook up to your Mac or to your laptop or to your Windows PC. Go to iTunes on Windows and on Mac on Catalina, then you'll be going to Finder. But if you're not on Catalina, just go to iTunes as well. And then you'll get a screen looking like about this. So as you can see there, it's telling you your iPhone is now fully unlocked. And that now means you can use good old Goldie, or if you've got a black one, or a silver one, or the green, whatever takes your fancy. You can now use that on any GSM network worldwide. And that's it. That's how you unlock your iPhone 11 Pro Max to any network worldwide. Well, any GSM carrier network worldwide. Get it right, Sam? Yeah. If you've got any questions with regards to this or anything else, I guess you know what to do by now. You can hit me up in a comment down below. If you are new to your channel, then please smash that subscribe button. It is completely free. And go on, tick a like. You know you want to. Anyway, people, I appreciate you watching, and you'll hopefully see me. Well, you won't see me. You see the hands in my next video. Cheers, everyone.